Oh. Yeah. Uy, totoo, kinilabutan ako. Totoo talaga. Nakakakilig. Hi everyone! Welcome to Cream Silk YouTube channel. Sobrang excited ako today because I'll be joined by the newest additions to the Cream Silk family. So a few days ago, napanood ko yung new content ng new Cream Silk ambassadors natin at nakita ko na nag-hair flip sila sa Instagram. So naisip ko na bigyan sila ng tutorial session para ready na sila for their future Cream Silk projects and content. Ito na, tawagin na natin sila. We have here Paolo and Miguel. Hi guys!
Hey, hello! Hello!
Hello!
Kumusta?
Hi, kumusta? How are you guys doing?
Ayun, medyo surreal yung hair flip thing na kasi hindi namin ever in-expect na magiging part kami ng Cream Silk family. Pero we're really happy to be here.
At saka sobrang starstruck pa kami, syempre.
Okay.
Actually, ako din, super excited ako na makita kayo kahit virtually man lang muna sa ngayon at ma-meet ko kayo because I'm a big fan. I actually posted you guys a few years ago. I think it was on my Twitter or my Instagram because I really loved your music.
Wow, thank you. Guys, nakikinig siya ng music natin. Uy!
After ko na nga mag-react on Instagram, pinadalan ako ng Cream Silk family natin ng limited edition araw-araw Cream Silk box.
Oh, meron siya nung ano natin. Hey!
Yes!
Oh, gumawa kami ng unboxing yan mga a few weeks ago.
So, parehas na tayo na nasa Cream Silk pack. Kasi meron din ako actually, nasa Cream Silk pack din ako.
Nakakatuwa na may Cream Silk box ka rin nung araw-araw.
Ayan o! So, before we start our first tutorial, I guess mag-Q&A portion muna tayo. Curious akong malaman kung paano ba nag-start yung hair story niyo? And can you tell me about it? When and why did you both decide to grow your hair? Sinong nauna?
Actually, ako yung nauna sa pagpaba ng buhok kasi nag-start yan siguro mga 2016. Probably a year before kami mag-start ng band. Pero kakaibang journey din sa amin i-figure out kung paano mag-maintain ng long hair. Kasi iba pala talaga siya kumpara sa dati na walang suklay-suklay minsan, gano'n. Pero
Dati si Paolo, shampoo lang yan. Pero na-realize niya na, shampoo lang.
kulang.
Before we do the actual hair flip tutorial, which I'm sure, actually tingin ko nga master na kayo dyan eh. Pero,
Hindi. Marami
imbitahin
pa
muna
kami
natin.
kakaining bigas. Marami pa kami kailangan matutunan about hair flip.
Pero sama muna natin yung ibang members nyo para sumali din. So we have Agnes, Kiefer, and Pat.
Agnes, Kiefer, and Pat, hello!
Woo! Hi!
Hi!
Hello! Okay, so first things first. The first thing you need to know about a hair flip is all about the emotion. Kailangan mong bigyan ng power yung whip mo ng isang smooth na motion lang. Actually, maraming klaseng hair flip. Pwede mong idaan sa kamay, pwede ring idaan mo lang sa ulo lang, whip lang ng ulo. Pero patingin mo na nung kay Paolo at kay Miguel para titingnan natin kung may corrections pa bang... Corrections! May corrections pa bang kailangan gawin?
And 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, that was actually very good. Kasi hindi mo na dinaan sa kamay, tapos dinaan mo lang sa turn ng ulo. Ako din, ganyan din yung ginagawa ko. I gather everything, all my hair on one side, dito, tapos... May kasama rin palang projection yun. Sorry. Iti-take two ko. Kasi kailangan may projection ng face. May fears, yes. Siguro para sa mga viewers natin, gawin natin siya ng sabay-sabay. 1, 2, 3. Oh! In fairness, sabay-sabay tayo doon.
Kailangan may ganun.
Oh.
May
Ang galing nyo na. Kuha nyo na agad yung hair flip. Pero it doesn't end there. Kasi kailangan may matching na lakad yan, na confident catwalk. Bago tayo mag-start, let's invite din Jam and Tony to join.
Oh,
Yay!
let's go! Let's go, walkers!
Let's go! Si Jan.
Hi!
Tapos si Tony.
Hello, hello! Usually, like what I mentioned earlier, ang hair flip, kailangan ng buwelo, di ba? Kaya nga tayo, ginagather natin sa likod, tapos umiikot pa tayo. Kasi mas madali siyang gawin pagka nakatayo at pag naglalakad. So, lahat tayo gagawin natin, ah.
Okay, sige na.
Stand straight lang. Stand straight. Importante yan. So, I'll walk in a straight line. And then, I'll turn. Tapos, careful.
Okay, guys.
Walk, turn, and flip. Turn, and then flip.
Ay, mali.
Binigyan mo ako ng extra turn. Yes!
Iba.
Oh. Very good. Ay. Oh!
Turn back.
Oy! Ang lamas, oh.
Philippines.
Yay! It's all about parang your ano naman your confidence and your attitude, ganyan. Wala namang right or wrong talaga. Pero syempre, hindi lang tayo puro ganda. Importante din, especially pagka cream silk ambassador ka, na clear and with confidence nating masasabi yung message of empowerment and encouragement. So, before I share my secret tip dyan, let's call in si Poch and Andrew to join in.
Let's go! Let's go! Oh, si Andrew. And then si Poch.
Hello! Hi! So, medyo simple lang yung tip na to. How I practice enunciating or making sure na malino yung mga sinasabi ko is warm up lang at mga tongue twister ang katapat niyan. Pero dahil Cream Silk YouTube channel ito, let's try a Cream Silk line. Parang tongue twister. Ang sasabihin natin is captivatingly straight, unbelievably strong, sensationally smooth, Cream Silk araw-araw.
Haba.
1, 2, 3, go. Captivatingly straight, unbelievably strong, sensationally smooth, cream silk araw-araw. Oh.
Kuhang-kuha nyo siya, and I'm sure madali lang to para sa inyo kasi it's similar to singing, di ba? You need to be clear with the words that you sing. So, I'm sure hindi kayo nabubulol at sanay kayo when it comes to speaking in public and saying all these lines. Secret dream ko kasi maging singer. De, joke lang.
Ayun, oy.
Sample.
Di, ako yung hihingi ng sample dapat sa inyo. Magre-request nga ako sana ng pwede bang mag-acapella kayo para marinig ko naman. Kasi hindi tayo magkakasama in person.
1, 2. Mahiwagang, ika'y mag-cream silk na sa araw-araw. Shampoo lang kulang, kaya mag-cream silk na sa araw-araw.
Uy, totoo, kinilabutan ako. Totoo talaga. Oh, nakakakilig. Thank you so much.
Actually, bago tayo mag-end, gusto rin naming marinig na mag-sample ka kasi kung nag-hair flip kami, kailangan ikaw din mag-sample ng kanta.
Oh, sige. Ito yung mic ko. Mahiwaga, ika'y mag-cream silk na sa araw-araw. Siyang
taas ka mo, taas mo.
kulang-kulang, kaya mag-cream silk na sa araw-araw. Thank you so much, guys. This was such a fun afternoon, a fun chikahan. And to all our viewers and Daliwanags, please do watch out for Cream Silk's 11/11 and 12/12 sale on Shopee and Lazada. Because itong mga limited edition Ben&Ben packs and tote bags will be up for grabs. So you guys watching right now, you can actually get these. So, don't miss out on a chance to take home these special packs and stay tuned to the Cream Silk Philippines Facebook page for more updates. Okay, thank you so much again, Ben&Ben, and I'll see you guys again soon.
Thank you.
Thank you.